Tim, we're here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out at this home. It's Christmas Eve, which is nice. So Merry Christmas to everybody that watches this video for 2024. But it's been several years since we've done this home, and there's only a couple places that's turned green. But all around the house, you can see the little black dots beginning to form that will eventually be mold, green mold. So we're gonna go with a fairly light mix because it's not bad. It's not bad at all. No oxidation that I can tell. So the house is in good shape. Even though it's 35 going on 40 degrees here about an hour, we'll still use a light mix because I don't need to use heavy chemicals. I don't want to flash this, even though it's not going to flash because it's too damn cold. But I don't want to use heavy chemicals to cause any oxidation or anything like that. So light mix, good rinse, solid rinse, lots of rinsing water, more rinse than soap, and we'll be good. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. Merry Christmas. And here we go. All them little black dots are gone. This house looks new again. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. Merry Christmas.